Hi, I'm Brian, and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm at the California State Railroad Museum in Sacramento. Let's go check it out. The Transcontinental Railroad, the edge of America's frontier. The first employees of the Central Pacific brought skills and experience from many places as they helped pioneer a new kind of railroading. The railroad began operations in 1862. Well, this museum's starting off pretty cool. Check out that locomotive. I think this is the construction boss. Hey man, what are you pointing at? What do you want me to do? I don't quite get it. So I think this is a Phoenix iron bridge. Looks nicely built. I like this place so far. Yes, sir. What you looking at? Oh, that's what you're looking at. So what is that? Not gonna tell me? I guess you're busy. Pretty cool. Northern Pacific Coast. Ooh, what do we have here? Well, that's pretty cool. Look at the view from up here. I think this is a roundhouse. Wow, this is a fancy museum. The locomotives look brand new. So this is the CP Huntington. Man, the window's really causing me a little bit of a glare on this shot. This is a little bit like going to a custom car show. They even got mirrors underneath some of them. Well, this is a really nice place. Let's go check out the inside. Yep, that's kind of what I thought. Wow, it's clean. They don't look like that normally. Form to Fark. And you guys thought that was a new thing. Huh. Pretty cool pictures. Oh. So I think they used to haul ice.
Oh, we got ice back there.
That doesn't seem to be super practical. According to the sign, this is the observation lounge. Pretty cool. Looks like we have the dining room.
These people bought this.
Anybody for our little Mars code? You guys all know how to use a telegraph, right? They teach that at school, right? Don't they? Ooh, cool phone. So it says here you're a brakeman. How's it going today? Nice looking locomotive you got here. Whoa, look at that. A prosthetic hand from the 1940s. I be working on the railroad all the livelong day. I think that's how that song goes. Looks like they're trying to talk their cat to come back inside. Okay, I think this is where we buy the money orders. Hey, ma'am. Excuse me. Hello? Can you hear me? I'd like one money order to go. Sir, they're all to go. You're not ordering a burger. Ma'am, I'm over here. Well, that didn't work out. Let's go to Western Union. Oh, that's a neat little truck. So what do you think of this place so far? I like it. It's pretty cool. I actually know what this is. It's a mail hook. I learned that on a previous visit to a train museum. Let's check out some toy trains. Did you used to play with trains as a kid? Or maybe you still play with trains? Leave a comment below. You could probably spend hours in here. There's so many different things to see. Wow. Who's that masked man behind the camera? Those are pretty cool looking cars. Vintage. Tinker Toys. The Erector set. Never had one of those. I think those were actually before my time. Ooh, there comes the train. Choo choo.
The train's going pretty fast.
What?
I was thinking we could give somebody else a turn on this and go look at something else.
I think that is super cool.
That's a Nevada short line. How's the ride? It's good.
According to the sign, this is centralized traffic control. Wow. Looks pretty complicated, but I imagine when you get used to it, it's not so bad. A wall of magazines dedicated to railroading. Yeah, if you go to a bookstore, there's a lot of magazines on that section. They had a whole bunch of railroad layouts. Very cool. Here's a sampling. This is supposed to be West Side Lumber. Oh yeah, you can see the little lumber mill. Pretty cool. the detail of these railroad layouts is just amazing. I think I'm at the toy repair center. Well, it looks like it's time for me to leave. Is it time for you to subscribe? I think so. See you guys next time. Well, that was a pretty cool looking museum. The trains are all shiny. It's like looking at a bunch of brand new trains. All right. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys someplace or another. Bye. Stay tuned for more adventure to come. Subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.